What to do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Crunch Time, man. I'm back with another video, man. So I dropping a special video for you guys today, man. I did a special mod on the car. I ain't seen too many people with this mod, and I would want to say I'm one of the first guys to actually do it around this area that I live in. Um, so when it comes down to showing you guys how I did it, it's very simple. If you guys got any type of electronic skills, anything like that, it is easy to do. Um, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it, man, and show you guys what I did, man, to my car. All right, guys. So what I did to the car, man, I did a mod that, like I said, I haven't seen a lot of people do. This mod to me is very awesome. It sets the car a little, a little different than what you normally see. Sorry about the bike, man. I, finally wrote this thing. It's been sitting up for a few weeks or whatever. Finally decided to go ahead and bring it out. It's 2006 R6, Toast exhaust. Bike didn't look like this when I got it. Put new fairings on it, new grips, new clutch, a new front brake, carbon fiber on the triple tree. Custom windshield. I actually finished these right here like 2 weeks ago. Custom side mirrors, so I spliced the side mirrors in. Side mirrors do have turn signals on them and everything else. Alright, so back to what I originally telling you guys about, man. When it came down to the car, when it came down to the reflectors in the back, I told myself, man, I want to change up this car. I want to make it look different, man. So I told myself, hey, I can make it look different by buying the LEDs for them. So I searched online, search, finally found the LEDs, the right LEDs or whatnot. So it was fairly easy, man. It wasn't hard at all, man. So with the process, I had to find a day that I'm not working or teleworking or anything like that to actually put them in. And like I say, it was fairly easy. And I'll show you guys and walk you guys through the process of actually putting them in. So I ordered the lights itself. These right here are from wish.com. Went to wish.com. I ordered these right here. They were like 37 bucks or whatnot. So when I ordered them, I had them in my house upstairs in my man cave for about, I would say 2 months, 2 or 3 months. I finally decided to put them on. I thought it was a harder process than it wasn't, so I just finally decided to put them on, man. So with the process of putting them on, you have to make sure, pop my trunk. You have to make sure that you actually take off the tail light. I know a lot of people probably like, nah, I don't want to do all that, just to put a light in your car, but it actually is pretty easy, man. So what you do is, oh shit, hit my head. Do the inside here, take off this wing nut right here, and there's another wing nut on the inside of this carpet in here. Then you're basically gonna pull out the plug, pull the light out, and then once you pull the light out, you'll be able to see down in here. So what I did was, I went ahead, put the light, fished it through, and I actually spliced the light into the side markers. So when you splice them into the side markers, everything cuts on when you actually hit your remote or you start up your car. It's not that hard, man. So like I said, this is the only thing that you actually have to take off. You don't have to take nothing else off. This piece here in the wing nut slides out. Take your wire, run it through, reach in through the inside, pop this joker right here out, pull the wire up so you can actually splice it, and then everything fits, man. It looks damn fucking good, man. Excuse my French, but like I say, I haven't seen too many cars that actually has this mod. I've probably seen one guy on YouTube. I actually talked to him from time to time. He did it, and I said, I wonder how I can do it. So the process of taking the reflector out is a pain. When it comes to this right here, I actually, as you can see, I nicked it right here. But when it came to taking these out, I used pry tools. I used the plastic pry tools from Harbor Freight, cheap, eBay, wherever you get them from. Um, Prying the right side on the left side of the car is pretty easy. It pries up pretty good. But when I got here, there's actually a plastic rivet built into the old reflector, and I actually had to pry. That's why it's all beat up right here or whatnot. I actually had to pry it, and then I took a Dremel. That didn't work, so I actually took a punch and a hammer, and I punched it through, and it fell literally right on top of the exhaust. And then it fell over or whatnot. And then with that right there, I just went ahead, ran the wires through the hole, punched it in, spliced everything. Everything was good. So, like I say, man, when it comes down to doing this stuff, it's not hard, man. It's just time consuming. I would say the first side took me probably about 20-30 minutes because I had to figure out where the hole is, and I actually had to use like a small grappling tool that I have to extract stuff out of tight places. And it actually, came out, spliced it, no issues at all, man. Then I did the left side. The left side is the right side. The right side is a little different. The reason why the right side is a little different because you actually have a battery in here. So, like I say, pulled the carpet back from the wing nut, pulled the light out, reached down in there. It's a little tighter than the left side. The reason why it's a little tighter, like I said, is because of that battery. Popped the side marker out, pulled the wire up, spliced it, popped the side marker back in, and then everything is spliced in, and there's no issues, man. When it came down to me figuring out the positive and the negative on the actual wire itself, the wires from the actual reflector lights were green and white. So I actually had to figure out with a multimeter what was power from the car's harness and what was positive from the wiring itself. And then once I figured that out, it was pretty easy. Went ahead, soldered them together. If you don't have a solder, make sure you peel the wires back pretty good. You splice into the wires, and then you tape them up. Make sure the wires don't touch, it don't arc anything, so it don't fry anything in your tail lights, anything like that. And then you also get tape over that job. So tape them separate, the positive and the negative, tape them separate, and then tape them together. So once you tape them together, everything is stock. Put the wires back where they're supposed to be. Everything looks good, man. Like I said, I can't complain. Not one bit, man. I can't complain one bit. And like I say, man, everything matches up here. So these two right here are actually together. So here it is. And I'll actually give you guys a cold start with it. Like I said, they look damn good, man. Can't complain, not one bit. Like, hit the unlock button, they show up, man. This right here, I believe, will set your car apart from every other challenge that's around, because you don't see challenges with this. You don't even see Mustangs, anything like that, with this LED on it. This right here is a game changer, man. Look at that. That is a game changer, bro. That is a fucking game changer right there. That sets your car apart from everybody else, man. So also speaking about, the mods that I actually did to the car, I actually got some future mods that I'm gonna put on within the next 2 weeks or so. The mods that I'm gonna put on in the next 2 weeks, man. I'm gonna put these bad boys on here. So these right here are 4-inch quad tips with a 3-inch inlet. The actual pipes on the vehicles are 2.5 inch, but if you go to any good shop should be able to put these on. My only complaint is when I ordered these, the picture off eBay threw me off. but I went back and read the actual description because, like I say, these quad tips have been sold out for so long. The black quad tips, like I didn't want the cheap one with the single. I wanted the double wall one. I wanted the good quality ones. See that? They're staggered. I didn't want staggered, but hey, whatever, you know, whatever makes the car look good. But I'm gonna plan on putting these on soon. I don't know how much it'll cost. I'll probably have to find a reputable shop that'll put them on. One of my good friends, McCorley. He's actually one of my good friends. He actually has a Dodge Challenger too. He the one that told me to go ahead and put them on and make the car sound a little better. So these right here is one mod that I'm actually gonna put on real soon. And I actually have another mod that I'm gonna put on soon that correlates with these here, and I'll show you guys. Gotta excuse all the mess. I am actually gonna put these on here. I know a lot of people are like, why would you do that? And, hey, it's my car. I do what I want. I love deep growl that it actually has right now with just a mid-muffled delete. But I want to be just a little bit more aggressive. So I'm planning on cutting off the resonators off the back, putting those quad tips on. I already had a mid-muffled delete. I'm gonna put the Super 10s down there where the mid-muffled delete was at. And I want this thing to scream. I bought these, forgot the site that I bought them from. They were, let's see the site. I can't think of the name of the site. But I'll leave the site in the description where I bought them from, and everything. Gave you stickers and everything else. Let's see. Haven't even took these things out of the damn plastic yet, man. So these are the Super 10s here. Flowmaster series, Super 10s. So this is the inlet. So planning on putting these on soon so I can make this thing really growl and piss off my neighbors. No, I got good neighbors, man. I wouldn't do that to them, but hey, this is the part of having a sports car, right? You know, you want it loud, mean, and aggressive. So that's what I'm planning on doing real soon. Got a lot of things coming up, stuff like that, but those are the mods that I did so far to the vehicle. But I'll tell you what, man, they look pretty damn good, man. I'll do it one more time. They look pretty damn good on the car. I had them, actually they are tinted. You can buy them either white or tinted. I bought them tinted, and then I bought tint to put on top of them. But I figured it would be too dark and they wouldn't show the real brightness of the LED or whatnot. But like I say, I bought these right here off Wish. I'll leave a description of how much they cost and where to get them from. Again, from wish.com or AliExpress or eBay, anything else. They're not expensive at all. Total 36 bucks. Shipped, took about 2 weeks to get them in. I really wasn't worried about them coming in because I had other things I was worried about. I know some people just like, they need to hurry up and come in so I can install them. I didn't really worry about that because I knew for a fact, hey, once they come in, they're probably gonna sit for a while until I can put them in or whatnot. But like I say, in the upcoming videos, man, I'm gonna make sure I put on the quad tips and I'm gonna make sure I put on the Super 10s. Like I say, this is a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT. Yeah, man, it looks good, man. I know I showed you guys in the video before, I got a lot of compliments from actually a couple of my buddies about what I did under the hood. If you guys don't have tennis balls in your garage, put them in there. It keeps you from hitting shit, man. Like I say, man, carbon fiber. I don't know what the hell you want to call this thing. The inlet type of holster for the engine, whatever. Had this right here, hydro dipped, out in California. Shout out to Hydro Dip Concepts in California. I had these right here made here, custom. They build actually this whole shroud. That's what it's called. It's called a shroud. They actually make this whole shroud here for any type of Mopar and any car. You just tell them what kind of car you got, and they actually make it in real carbon fiber. This right here is hydro dip, but it's very hard to tell. Just trying to go for the carbon fiber theme. And then I don't know if you guys can see, but this right here is actually carbon fiber 345 Hemi. Future mods that I do want to do, I don't want to give it all up, but I'm going to do some more to this engine bay. I want you guys stay tuned of what I'm going to do to this engine bay, man. Try to do something very different I haven't seen a lot of guys do. Another thing too, I don't want to over mod this car, because to me it's a sports car. I don't want the car, you know, looking good and all this other stuff, and people are like, why did you do that? And, you know, everything is my perception of what I like or whatnot, but I don't want to over mod the car because I do drive this car a lot. I have my daily driver out there, but I do drive this car and my motorcycle a lot. But I want to make the car look good for myself. I haven't been in any car clubs or any, you know, type of car shows or anything like that. I don't plan on doing anything like that, but I want this car right here to represent my taste. And I think everybody who owns any car, no matter what it is, no matter if it's a Ford Focus, do what you love to your car, man. It's yours, and you know, you enjoy it yourself, man. I believe cars are like shoes, man. You take care of your shoes, take care of your car the same way. You know, you got to wipe them down and, you know, look good in them. Same thing with a car. You got to wipe it down, wash it, and look good in it. So that's my whole take on this thing, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it, what I've done so far, man. I actually have a special mod that came in, and I actually am gonna make a video on it. Something different, found it online, something different for the car, for all Mopars, basically for any car. But I'm gonna put out a video about that, man. Yeah, man, so that right there is what I've done to the car so far, man. Little small mods, but all those mods are my taste. And I love my taste because I try to think outside the box, and I try to think of what someone else doesn't have, or what someone hasn't done to the car. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, man. That right there helps out a lot. And also subscribe to the channel, man. Right now I got like 83 subscribers, and I know that's really trying to grind it out to get subscribers for the channel, man. But I would really love for you guys to subscribe to the channel so I can put out more content to you guys. Like I say, I'm a full-time soldier in the Army. It takes up a lot of my time, but I will try to put out more videos, put out more things that I have done to the car. Just small things, you know what I'm saying, so you guys can, you know, relate to me. I can relate to you based on what I've done to the car, man. Everything that I do don't cost a lot of money. I don't believe in spending a lot of money. So I wanted to thank you guys for watching the video, man. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.